Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Step-by-step tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you the process on how you will be able to connect both CJ Dropshipping and Shopify together. Now, fortunately, there is an official way on how you will be able to do this, so we will be showing you that in today's video. Now, the first step that you need to do is, of course, set up your account on CJ Dropshipping. You will need to set up your account to be able to use the feature that we will be demonstrating in today's video. And that feature is this option over here, My CJ. If you don't have this option yet, you would need to create an account and verify your account. For me, I'm not verified yet, so we're going to ignore that. But this is the next step that we will be doing. Now, after you create your account, simply open this My CJ option that you have, and we will be redirected to another page. In this other page, this is where we will be able to see all information related to our CJ Dropshipping account. You will be able to see multiple options or multiple features in this section, like the inventory alert, source product, pending payments, pending CJ orders, coupons, and cards, and many more. Over here on the left side, there's basically a list on what you could do. As you can see here, you have your sourcing, your purchase list, photography, my inventory, wish lists, custom packaging, customization, and expert list. So if you don't know how to use CJ Dropshipping and you would like to check out the different technical features, this is the place that you would need to go to. Now, what you're going to need to go to next is the store authentication or authorization over here. This option that you are seeing over here. This is usually on the bottommost part of the options over here. So we're simply going to click this. As you can see here, there's a lot of different e-commerce platform and other platforms out there that you could actually connect CJ Dropshipping to. And the very first option that we are seeing right now is Shopify. So simply click this and let's wait for our screen to load over here, and we will be able to see the process on how you will be able to connect your Shopify with dropshipping. And there we go. We have this as our page over here. It says you haven't authorized any store yet. Authorize your store to activate a one-click product listing and automatic order fulfillment, which is a very useful feature. You have the option to transfer record, which I don't have right now because this is the first time we will be connecting Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. Or you could add a store. You're simply going to select the option Add Store, and you will start the process of connecting CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So simply click this, and zooming out, as you can see, this is the step. We have the steps over here. After authorization, your Shopify shops, you will be able to easily post sourcing requests regarding an existing item on your Shopify store. You will be able to connect the items in your store to your source product on CJ Dropshipping, and you will be able to sync your Shopify orders to CJ automatically. There's also this pop-up over here. The first step is click on Authorize. You will be able to you will be redirected to the app page in Shopify where you will click on Add App over here. So let's proceed with that. And there's also this second step, which is log into your Shopify account and select one store to authorize. Third is having entered an app page, and you will click the install app, and let's proceed. And let's click on authorize, and we will be redirected to Shopify. And there we go. This is their official app right now in Shopify. You can see all the different features over here. You will be able to have a supported DIY bundle product combination. The optimized shipping method will be automatic. The shipping calculation feature is also available for you. You will also have product reviews to be imported to your store, and you can also import different products, as you can see here. So let's go and simply click on install over here. Click this, and we will be redirected to the authorization page, where we will be able to authorize our installation of our CJ Dropshipping app into our Shopify, as you can see here. So simply click on install app over here on the top right, this option that you are seeing right now. So simply click this. And there we go. In this part, you will now then simply click on authorize over here, and you will be able to authorize the connection between Shopify and CJ Dropshipping. So simply click this, click on confirm, and let's wait for it to load. And let's see the next step after this. Remember the step that we saw earlier. This is, I think, the third or the fourth step where we have to authorize this. And let's simply wait for it to finish loading. And there we go. We were now able to connect our Shopify with CJ Dropshipping. Now we could go back to my CJ over here, and let's wait for it. And let's check out over here on the left side. Let's move our pop-ups over here to the right side so we can see. And let's click on store authorization, click on Shopify, and let's see if there will be a difference. And there we go. We now have our Shopify connected with our Shopify dropshipping. And now we have all those different things that we can see. We have the token verification result, which is right now authorized, the store status, which is activated, and the inventory sync is CJ's dropshipping only. We have the option to have a private inventory, CJ dropshipping with no inventory left or not synced. You have the email permission, auto sync, update, and you can do different actions over here like disable POD, store logistics, track URL, transfer store, or delete. And we could open this. Let's zoom out a bit. There we go. And you could search the store name over here. You could transfer record. You could add another store, or you could create another store right now. So whatever you do right now on CJ Dropshipping, whether you add it on your products, your list over here, your print on demands, anything you do with CJ Dropshipping, it will now reflect on your Shopify store because it is now automatically in sync. And any product things that you do, any product modification, any inventory modification, anything that is added to your list will automatically appear on your Shopify, so that you can now also set up your store in Shopify and also promote it through Shopify's site, and you could do drop shipping through CJ Dropshipping and Shopify. So whenever someone orders a product on your Shopify store that you have just set up, it will order in CJ Dropshipping and it will send to the person that has ordered that specific product. So that's basically it. That is the basic process on how you could connect CJ Dropshipping and Shopify together. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.